Open the Edge browser or Google Chrome. Visit this parameter configuration website. Connect to the serial port. Select the serial port corresponding to your plotter, which is generally a USB serial. And click Connect. After a successful connection, subsequent clicks on Connect will automatically reconnect the serial port. Click Parameter Settings. This page has 4 preset speed modes. After we click the corresponding mode button, wait for 8 seconds to switch the speed. Open the serial panel in the bottom right corner. Click the desired speed mode. And the program will automatically send some setup commands to switch the speed. After clicking the speed button, wait for about 8 seconds, and the speed will be switched. Click Read Current Parameters, and you can see that the speed has been changed. Each time this page is opened, the speed can only be modified once. When you need to switch the speed mode again, you must navigate to another page and then return to the speed parameters page. This is to prevent incorrect operations and frequent speed changes. Click the Speed Mode button, Plotting Mode, and wait for 8 seconds. When the data in the serial panel stops jumping, it indicates that the modification is complete. You can also customize the desired speed here, but do not modify the pulses per millimeter, as this is an inherent mechanical characteristic of the machine. We generally recommend modifying first the acceleration and second the top speed. After making changes, click the Apply Settings button. This step is crucial, otherwise the settings will revert to the previous speed mode upon the next restart. Here, you can access motor direction switching and soft limit functions. This section is for reversing the motor's running direction. This section is for setting the soft limit function, which is currently active. We can view the complete configuration file here. Now you can see that the x-axis soft limit function is set to true. If we need to disable it, select Disable. Click Save Configuration. Similarly, a series of data exchanges will occur in the serial panel. After waiting for a few seconds, the device will finish restarting. We can see that the x-axis soft limit function has been changed to false, indicating it has been successfully disabled. If you need to enable it again, set it to the enabled state. After completing the settings, close the serial port. When the serial port is unexpectedly disconnected, the web page will emit a beep. This sound indicates that the serial port failed to connect or was unexpectedly disconnected. Click the disconnected button to immediately stop the alarm.